actually started volunteering for Jasper many years ago when he very first began Help Bristol's Homeless. He quickly found his forte with the shipping containers. I'm very much front line. I'm an advocate. I like to work directly with the clients. So I established Bosh, I think 8 years ago now. And for the last 3 years, we've had the hub in central Bristol where clients can come. We're open 6 days a week. They can have support, advocacy, meet other agencies there. We supply food, clothing, basic essentials for anyone sleeping rough, but also support those that are vulnerably housed. HBH and Jasper have been a huge support to us ever since we've started, supplying items to help me continue with the hub. And through COVID, the partnership really strengthened because it was so difficult to get any donations. The shops were closed, my suppliers were closed, but I still did outreach on the streets. And I was working in collaboration with the police then to provide 2 outreaches a day, and Jasper supplied a lot of the food for me, and without that we wouldn't have been able to feed the 200 people that we were seeing. So that's really strengthened the bond, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been working with Julie for years. When there's some videos on YouTube where we very first started at the restaurant down on North Street, and we've been working together ever since. Really, we got the same sort of ethos of helping the homeless, and making sure vulnerable people are off the streets. Like Julie says, she's on the coal face of homelessness, where we provide accommodation, which was something I wanted to do anyway. That's what I felt my strength was, and we've worked together very well with regards to helping the homeless people here in Bristol. It's never easy. If you are not working with someone who's got the same ideas as you got of helping people and making it all work. Yeah, we provide in the winter, mainly through the winter period, food for the people on the streets. They absolutely need it. We get lots and lots of donations of clothing, and virtually all of it goes to Bosh when people roll up here. And we do signpost people, general public like yourselves, to Bosh and give them their location. Julie, could you just remind everybody where you're based in Bristol?
So we are based at 64 Bond Street, which is in between McDonald's and Fabricland. Nice and central, very easy to find. We're open 6 days a week, Tuesday through till Sunday, 9 till 5 Tuesday till Friday, and 10 till 12 at the weekends. You can find us on social media, Bosh, Bristol Outreach Services for the Homeless. Our website is www.bosh.org.uk, and our telephone number is 0117 452 0378. We are an open access service. Clients don't need to be referred, they can just turn up at the hub, and we will quickly ascertain what support is needed, signpost to other agencies if required, but we will do as much in-house as we can. For example, we refer to Jasper if somebody meets the criteria for a unit at the Help Bristol's Homeless site project, and in the last 10 months we've referred 14 clients that have moved in successfully and have gone on to great things.
Yeah, great, thanks very much for that. We're based here in Bedminster, Bristol, BS3. just off the York Road. And you can't miss us. We're down the dead end of Spring Street, near the railway lines. You'll see the containers with the name on the side of it. You pop down at any time. We open from 9 o'clock till 4 p.m. We're on all the social media platforms, Facebook, all of them. So you can find us. Website we're on as well, www.help-homeless.org. We're always looking for donations so that we can help Bosh and any other groups. We also help out at Christmas time. We donate shoebox appeal that you've all seen. We donate some to Julie and some to another event which happens for the homeless down in the town centre. So both of us working together, collaborating, we're trying to help as many people as we can. That's what we've signed up to do, and that's what we're going to do. Going forward for us, we're currently converting a unit, which we'll tell you more about, but closer to that, we got the art auction in September. Dates will be on the link, and tickets will be on the link of this video. And yeah, long may it rain. That's all I can say. Julie, any plans going forward?
Yes, we're taking part in the Women's Rough Sleeping Census again this year, because it's a really vital piece of work that's taking place, because we know that the government figures are not correct. So we're really pleased to have been invited to take part in that piece of work by 125 Project, St Mungo's, Bristol City Council. So that's exciting for us. And really just continuing what we're doing, supporting the vulnerable clients on the streets, working with our partners and striving to be better all the time, and ultimately ending homelessness. That's the dream.
Yeah, that's the goal, to end homelessness, but in working up to that, just help as many people as we can.
Absolutely.
So jump on board, support Bosh, support Help versus Homeless, and support Bosh, and we'll support as many people as we can on the streets here in Bristol. Have a great weekend. Don't forget, we're on the Downs tomorrow, talking about food and how you can support people in Bristol who are less fortunate than yourselves. So thank you for your time, and have a great weekend. See you soon. Thank you, Julie.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.